Hi everyone, so I just wanted to hop on and show you this quick little pattern. I've done it already over here. This is using a 3.5 millimeter 3-ply rope, and just to make it clear for you guys, I'm going to be using a 5 millimeter for the tutorial. So to start, on this side I'm going to do 6 alternating half hitch knots, so figure 4 over that one. We pull it through that loop, so it looks like that. We pull it sort of up to the right. Now we hold this one down. Do the same from that side. Figure 4, back through the loop, and up to the right. Now that. So we're just going to rotate this 6 times from side to side. Okay, so first side's done, and now I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps on this side. Okay, so now you can see I've done 6 over here, 6 on this side, and I'm going to join them together now. So to start, I'm going to take the center left-hand cord, I'm going to pull it over this way, this is going to be our guide, and I'm going to do half hitch knots over top of it. So the first one in order would be that first one in the center, white one, and I'm going to bring it from behind, over, behind, and through that loop till you get something that looks like that. And I'm going to pull it in nice and tight up to that knot, and you're going to do that twice for each of the cords that we're knotting onto here. So again, it goes over, behind, through the loop, pull it tight, once more, there. So that's the first row, and now we're going to do the same using the farthest one. Okay, now from here we're going to do the same pattern as up here. We're going to do alternating half hitch knots, and then when we join it, it's going to be a little bit different next time, just to give it a cool kind of pattern. Okay, once more there's 6, and since we did it the diagonal clove hitch knots with the white last time, this time we're going to do it with the blue. So we're going to use our white one as our guide, and we're going to use the blues to do our knotting.